In this tutorial, we will see how to create a project and a simple motor program in Ladder. We will create the demo_motor_LD project, add an S7-1500 CPU, and program a motor control block with Siemens logic. Let's start by creating the new project named demo_motor_LD. We are now adding an S7-1500 PLC to our hardware configuration. Let's now create a function block named CMD_motor to manage the control logic. We will now call this block in the main cycle OB1. Finally, we compile the project to check that there are no errors. This tutorial is now complete. Thank you for following this presentation. Let's now define the tags for our inputs and outputs in the tag table. Compilation has been completed successfully.